Thanks for watching Access 21. Here are some free events that are happening in and around Charlotte-Mecklenburg this weekend.
Friday, February 7th, 2025. The first Friday of every month, the town of Pineville is hosting a First Friday event. These free events take place from 5 to 9 p.m. in downtown Pineville, 303 Main Street, Pineville, North Carolina. First up in 2025 is First Friday's Valentine's Day. The theme is love. Here's what's going on. Free horse carriage rides around downtown. Valentine's Craft Bar at AR Workshop until 6 p.m. Delicious bites from Cousin's Maine Lobster Food Truck. A decadent chocolate on tap booth from Carolina Scoops. Flower booth from Monarch Moments and Company. Unique finds from pop-up small business vendors from Handcrafted Market. A permanent jewelry station. Special Valentine's Day deals from our small businesses. Follow the town of Pineville and Carolina Scoops Ice Cream for announcements and updates. Visit the Rail Trail in Charlotte South End from February 7th to 23rd, 2025, and experience Rail Trail lights. The Rail Trail is lit with interactive light installations created by local artist Meredith Connolly and her team of artists. This year, there's a theme throughout the installations. Rail Trail, Golden Threads. Rail Trail Golden Threads celebrates the constant and adaptive power of nature as it winds through South End's history and contemporary rhythm. Each installation honors the deep wisdom woven into natural designs, the way patterns, structures, and resilience in nature guide and inspire us, shaping everything from textile traditions to technological breakthroughs. Visit charlotteonthecheap.com/I-heart-rail-trail for the map of where the installations will be located. February 8th, 2025. McColl Center for Art and Innovation is hosting Family Day on September 8th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. This is a day of creative fun for all ages, with activities inspired by the McColl artists and their work. There will be opportunities to create sound suite silhouettes, light painting sun catchers, cosmic geometry, and portrait painting. McColl Center for Art and Innovation is located at 721 North Tryon Street. It's free to visit and also hosts many free events for the public. Sunday, February 9th, 2025. It's time once again for the big game on the big projector. On Sunday, February 9th, we're hosting a watch party for the 59th one of these, starting at 5 p.m. There's dogs and burgers on the grill, buckets of beer, and Super Bowl score squares fundraising for the Second Harvest Food Bank of the Metrolinas. Stop by the bar and check our table reservation chart if you want to get at your favorite seat. Divine Barrel Brewing, 3701 North Davidson Street, Suite 203, Charlotte, North Carolina, 28205. Doors open from 4 to 11 p.m. The law firm Meta & McColl is providing free rides home on holidays to help keep our community safe. The offer is in effect for Super Bowl Sunday, St. Patrick's Day, Independence Day, Halloween, Thanksgiving Eve and Day, and New Year's Eve and Day. If you've been drinking, take an Uber, Lyft, or cab home, and then submit a copy of your receipt and your photo ID to Meta & McColl, and you'll get reimbursed for your ride. Reimbursement is limited to the first 25 people who submit for each holiday, so don't delay in submitting. Visit metamcconnell.com/free-holiday-cab-ride for details.
Thanks for watching. For more information on these events and more, be sure to visit charlotteonthecheap.com.